Machine learning allows computers to learn from the data without being explicitly programmed. Based on the availability of labeled data, it is mainly divided into supervised and unsupervised learning. Let's see these two types of machine learning through real-world examples. Detection of spam emails automatically. Today, email has become one of the most important ways of communication. We use emails for office work, education, banking, personal communication. However, along with useful emails, we also receive a large number of unwanted messages called spam emails. These spam emails usually contain fake offers, advertisement, or lottery messages and other. Manually opening and checking each email is not practically possible, and especially when users receive hundreds of emails every day. Because of this reason, an automatic system is required to identify and filter these spam emails so that users can focus only on important messages. Building the spam detector data collection. To build an automatic spam detection system, the first step is data collection. Here, a large number of past emails are collected. This dataset may contain thousands or even millions of emails that users have already received earlier. The most important point here is that each of these emails is already marked by the users as either spam or not spam. This previous marking acts as a reference for the system. By looking at these already classified emails, the systems get examples of what spam emails look like and what genuine emails look like. This historical email data becomes the learning material for the system to work efficiently. How the system actually learns to identify spam. Now, the system starts learning by analyzing different characteristics of each email. First, it analyzes the email content. It checks the language, sentences, structure, and writing style. Spam emails often use attractive or urgent language like limited offer, win now, or act immediately. Next, it examines the sender address. Emails coming from unknown or suspicious email IDs are more likely to be spam, whereas emails from trusted domains are usually genuine. Then the system looks for keywords. Certain words and phrases are commonly used in spam emails, such as free, click here, winner, or cash prize. Another important factor is the frequency of words. Spam emails often repeat the same words many times to grab attention. The system counts how often these words appear. Since the correct category of each training email is already known, the system compares its analysis with the actual label and gradually understands which pattern indicates the spam. How actually the system has been trained. In the beginning, the system may not be perfect. It may sometimes classify a genuine email as spam or allow a spam email into the inbox. Whenever such a mistake occurs, the system identifies it as an error. It then adjusts its internal rules and parameters to reduce similar mistakes in future. This process is repeated again and again with many emails. With each correction, the system improves its accuracy. Over the time, it becomes very efficient at distinguishing between spam and genuine emails. Real-time prediction and instant classification. Once the system has been trained, it is ready to work in real time. Whenever a new email arrives in the inbox, the system immediately analyzes it using the patterns it has already learned. Within a fraction of a second, the system decides whether the current email is spam or genuine. This entire process happens automatically without even any human intervention or human involvement, ensuring that users see only important emails in their inbox. Popular email services such as Gmail, Outlook, and Yahoo Mail use intelligent spam filtering system to protect users from unwanted and harmful emails. These systems automatically identifies spam emails, advertisements, and other unwanted attempts before they reach the user's inbox. As spammers constantly change their techniques, these systems do not remain static. They continuously learn from newly identified spam emails and user feedback, allowing them to adapt to new patterns over the time. This ensures safe, cleaner, and more reliable email experiences for the users. Unsupervised learning. In online shopping platforms, millions of customers visit every day. Each and every customers behave in a unique way. Some customers make purchases very frequently, some shop only during festive sales or discount periods, and others may spend a lot of time in browsing products without actually buying anything. Unlike email filtering, where messages are already marked as spam or not spam, customers do not come with predefined categories. We cannot initially label a customer as a budget buyer or a premium buyer because these labels are not known in advance. Therefore, the system must carefully observe customer actions such as browsing habits, purchasing patterns, and engagement levels. By analyzing these behavioral patterns over the time, the system can automatically understand the similarities between customer and group them accordingly. How the data is collected for customer segmentation. To understand customers, the system selects various types of data. It records purchase history, such as what products customer buy, how often they purchase, and how much they spend. It tracks time spent on the app or website, which indicates customer interest and engagement. It also observes products viewed even if the customer does not make a purchase. This helps to understand the preferences of the customer. Additionally, ratings and reviews provide insight into customer satisfaction and opinion. This data is finally collected continuously, but it does not contain any labels or categories. So, this is classified under unsupervised learning. Pattern discovery and group formation. The system analyzes this large amount of data to discover patterns automatically. Customers who show similar behavior are grouped together. For example, customers who mostly buy discounted products may form one group, while those who regularly purchase expensive branded items form another group. The system is not told how many groups to create or what to name them. It identifies similarities on its own. Some common groups formed include budget buyers, premium shoppers, seasonal buyers, and window shoppers. Each group represents customers with similar interest and behavior patterns. This impacts on business heavily. Let's see how. These customer groups help businesses make better decisions. Companies can send personalized offers and show relevant advertisements, also recommend suitable products. Platforms like Amazon use this approach for product recommendations, while Netflix suggests movies and shows based on the similar viewing patterns. Through these two examples, we can see how intelligent systems learn either from known outcomes or by discovering hidden patterns to solve real world problems efficiently. Thank you.